Nĩ icera rĩa mbere rĩa minista wa ũgima wa mwĩrĩ thito-inĩ cia rũhonge rwa KEMSA Embakasi kaunti ya Nairobi, akĩonia ũrĩa mĩhang'o ya wendia na ũgũri wa ndawa na indo itiganĩte cia ũrigiti ũthiaga na mbere, kũrĩa augĩte thũgũri o yothe thito-inĩ ĩno ĩrĩtabanagio kũhĩtũkĩra mĩtambo ya kĩrĩu itemi-inĩ rĩa kũhinga mathenya ma ungumania.
Use of ICT technology in moving forward. As Kenyans are aware, previously KEMSA has not been in your good books, you media guys, and you still, and I hope nobody's going to ask me about COVID billionaires, because together with the board and the management, we have agreed on what they need to do, and we are going to use technology in ensuring that everything that is done here operational-wise is transparent and there's accountability. And for those businessmen and women outside there who are looking to do business with KEMSA, you are welcome, but just know that we are going to move digitally.
Ofula ugĩte thirikari irarutithania wĩra kwa hakuhĩ na KEMSA gũkinyanĩria kĩĩranĩro kĩa thirikari gĩa kũgacĩrithia motungata ma ũrigiti mathibitarĩ-inĩ makĩria kũnina mathĩna ma ũnyihu wa ndawa.
And one of the things that we have agreed with the board of directors and the CEO is improvement on operational efficiency, that we are able to increase our order fill rate from the current 56%, and we have a target to get to at least 80%. And we are hoping to achieve that in the next few months. The other thing that we have discussed, which the management is going to work towards through the board, is to ensure that we bring down the cost of HPTs, and that we are competitive. And we want to promise Kenyan that moving forward, KEMSA is going to be their one-stop shop for all the HPTs that they are required for the public facilities.
Ongereire atĩ mogarũrũku marĩa makoretwo magĩthiĩ na mbere kuma rĩrĩa aruti amwe a wĩra marũgamirio mwaka mũhĩtũku marorete kũrĩka na hatirĩ ithenya rĩrabatara mũruti wa wĩra rĩgũtigwo ũguo.
We must recognize that employees, we need to recognize them as an investment and not an expenditure. And therefore the reforms are going to go on, and through the board and the management, they are going to look at what are the best ways to achieve optimum staff for us to be able to perform that which is expected of us from the rest of Kenyans.
Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Jenga Wabui.